Feed seagulls with me. What is that, you may ask? Those are
Fritos on my sunroof.
currently at the beach. I think this is the perfect place to find seagulls. Kind of blew off my sunroof and onto my windshield. So I'm going to drive to a less windy, more seagull populated area and put more Fritos on my sunroof. We're here. Ta-da. I already saw seagulls, so it's just a matter of time. I see one scoping out the area. When there's one, there's always more. They keep blowing off, so I think I'm gonna have to find another location. I also bought bread in hopes of it not blowing off. The bread is on the sunroof. Come on, guys, I'm giving you free food. They keep on having to move to new places, and each time I have to put up new bait. So annoying. This little Tweety guy is eyeing up the bread. I think my car is being circled. It's coming down. He's coming down. We got a pecker. Holy cow. They're on my roof everywhere. Oh my god. Oh my god. Holy cow. They're everywhere. Everywhere. Wanna let them in. Everywhere. Sticking around. God damn. There is probably so much seagull poop on my car right now. Let me know if you guys want me to do this with more bread.